I am no professional samosa maker, but I know when a samosa is good, and these were amazing. For the potato filling, we're going to fry some onions along with lots of spices, fresh green chilies, and then set that aside. We're going to mash up some potatoes, add the masala, and mix that up till it's well combined. The dough is a lot easier to make than you think. To a bowl, we're going to combine some plain flour, salt, ajwain, and some ghee and crumble that. And then we're going to slowly add some lukewarm water till we have a dough like this. We're then going to break off fistfuls, roll each up into a smooth ball, just like this. And then we're going to take each ball, dip it in some flour, press along the edges to make a disc. And then we're going to roll each ball into an oval shape, just like this. We're then going to cut each roti in half. With our fingers, we're just going to water the long edge, fold it into a samosa shape like this, turn it upside down, and fill it up. We're then going to water the edges again, and then we're going to press the samosa shut just like this. And for the sake of aesthetics, we're just going to trim the bottom. And now all that's left to do is to fry up the samosas golden like this.